What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Garden with Barchuckin. Today's Worm Wednesday, checking out the Vermihut Plus. When I was at work today, I ended up injuring my thumb a little bit, so I'm wearing double gloves today. Don't need any crazy bacteria getting in my finger. So, we'll just check where this feeding was. Seeing a bunch of cardboard, which is nice. This was the pumpkin stem. Yeah, it's getting pretty soft. Yeah, this side. I don't know if it was coming through or not, but it's actually moist on the inside of that. I see just a little bit of, I don't know if it's seeds. I believe that was the tomato and just the skin of that. That mango pit. Now it's like nothing. Banana stem. Oh. See, I got both hands in there now, so I'm really excited. I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick mix, see how everything's looking, and then I have a bunch of bedding that I need to add to this feeding tray. Here's one of my popsicle sticks. There's my other popsicle stick. Oh, got a set of worms mating here. That's always a nice thing to see. Nice thing to see in the worm bin. Bury them a little bit, give them some privacy. So, make sure I don't have nothing too crazy on my hands. So I do have a few toilet paper rolls. I'm just going to add them in. This one even still has just a little bit of toilet paper on it. Okay. And actually, before I feed today, I'm going to add my grit. I'm going to add some pulverized azomite powder and some ground up eggshells. So both of these are going to be used as a grit for the worms as they squirm around and take little bites. They're going to pick this up, and this is going to go into their crop and their gizzard, and then this will allow their food to start breaking down in their stomachs as they continue to squirm around the bin. I actually forgot to take the food scraps out of the freezer, so this will be a cold feeding for them, but I think they'll forgive me. Here's another avocado, and this was a little baby watermelon that didn't get a chance to ripen before the cold came. I'm going to try to bury it under mostly the fresh bedding. And add just a little on top, and hopefully the worms are smart enough to squirm away. We're going to quick look in underneath. I'll be ready to harvest this shortly. I see something here, looks like an avocado shell, piece of avocado. I think I'm just going to move this right up to the feeding tray area. Yeah, just a little bit of bedding, but a ton of worms in here. Okay, well, let me know in the comments if you think this looks like it's good to go and I should harvest it by the next feeding. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop them down in the comments. Really liking these risers. They've been working really well. So thank you, Ann. That was a great idea, and like I said, they're executing and working perfectly for me. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.